G'day there, welcome along to the Alternative Commentary Collective's Auto Trader Masterclasses on how best to flick your car. Step 4, how to make your car look like a super babe. The all-important photos.
Okay, I like that. No, that's good. Yep, I like that. Come on, you sell it, sell it, sell it.
That's not going to add much value at all. First up, you're never going to sell a turd. However, you're in with a chance if it's polished. Give it a clean. Spray the tyres. Just give it a chance, would you? Once you put some lipstick on it, it's time to get the perfect shot. First up, get a clean shot. Make the car the one and only protagonist. No distractions, no gimmicks. Take it to an empty car park, field or super large garage your rich mate owns. Sunset or sunrise are always the best for the light, and always shoot it from the wing mirror height, or you'll get some freaky looking perspectives. Then focus on filling the photo. The car should make up 80% of the photo, not a wee little cashew in the corner, okay? Poor little cashew. Let the car breathe. This is not cool. Neither is this. 10 photos minimum, and don't forget to lift the skirt. Give them a shot of the engine and interior. You've got nothing to hide. Wow, maybe except that cigarette burn. And there you have it. That's hot as f***. On the next episode of the Masterclass on how to flick your car, we're talking packages. Big packages, medium packages, and small packages. What's the best Auto Trader package for you? Tell New Zealand about your car, and you could win a billboard to help sell it, just like this here. You'll be 100% cooler. Check it out.